Hey yo, we up in this. Yeah, man. So when I get for left for me, I came. Me na mungu paristia, man. You know what I mean? I don't sabi that much. I knew. You know what I'm saying? I knew. Yeah. Okay. 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 I did want more force. Like when say me other phone force. And you know about good talk you know get proof. Me on the all laid on. You know what I mean? And think you be the bluff for a room. Me na me own room this. Watch bed. Bed will big pass you want no living room. Watch out. Dumb fuck. Pull sweep on now. Don't tell the left and give now. Yeah? We chillin'. We chillin' out to the me you. I see you be the afraid for come on live, make I not go live. But anyway, my turn, my nigga. When I be a myself today, my big do I take this nigga. Let me step picking, man. Man, I not sabi work this year, oh. So if anything, bro, I get for tell me. I beg you, wanna tell me. Everything okay? Savage. All thing good? Okay. Good. Um, I just no more. Really. Now for city self. To be honest, me I not sabi for tag or no tag. I want to tag the people and name them we come and say oh they are big. Una tag them for me please. At least me then go here tell and say I don't want to owe them. I beg you wanna help me panande please. Yes. It say Polo Ja and somebody else. I beg una tag them for me but please they are big. Since in the talk in no get proof, me I just want tell no more say in the real crazy with no limit. Yeah. I don't even know how for firm position for this guy. Mad die back. Oh. To be honest, I don't even know if Tipo been advise you, bing for tell you say I get all proof about everything. I don't know if he be advise you. Real talk. Because if he be advise you, I don't believe say you for been get in mind for the talk all and talk here. And if he say Tipo advise you, bing. If he be advise you, you know for the talk then talk here. And Tipo, I will chef come. Because I just find out say like you cannot flip flap. I don't even know whose part you did. If not left, right, middle, or up. I don't know if you know been tell him. First of all, I don't ever sabi do this kind of thing. For I go live safe, na person I get for call help me for smart go live. Okay? That in a one. 2. Come on, you dey talk about false life? Are you serious? For real? Let clown you first before I reach to you pass them first. First of all, I'ma say it right here, right now. Nobody na RFM first not been trust you in the first place. Nobody not been trust you na RFM in the first place. Because wait to make you dey RFM, then you dey hang and chill and play with people where we get problem with when are all stars by then. That in a 1. 2. All star not trust you. Now make them back nobody take you serious. Ain't nobody trust you, man. How you go then at this group here? You dey back na the other group, then you feel like say yes, then for tell you all secrets. Somebody need tell you no damn secrets. Then in a 1. And 2. The third part, come on say, I get false life. I don't ever try for make way and help them for travel. It say me say, me out no one. I dey take and suffer. I dey try my best to be honest with you. I'm trying. You know what I mean? It say me. Actually, it's a man not say me. Make I just say RFM. Because I do am for RFM. For say, we not try for do nothing for them. For help them. For get a better life. In the first place, I say, and yeah, right now. And whatever I say, let nobody not hesitate for ask me for any proof. Please. If you don't believe what I say, it's okay. Ask me for proof. I show it to you right now. Me, Ishmael Ba, Rapish, Chronic Extra, with LAJ, we spend over $10,000 for support, help the RFM team for Komona Salon and travel Canada America. Yes, we did that. There is proof for everything. Come on, say me make false life say I get program for them and all that in there. Then in a 1. 2. I don't know if people are not get common sense for let them know why make una need to get visa, what una they go ask for visa for travel. I don't know if people are not getting common sense then. You dey talk say now where you come on RFM avec by you. When last me you talk come on? Elle no even member for go salon say for I cut you off. Not to talk I cut you off because you are so fucking ungrateful, my nigga. You are the most ungrateful nigga where anybody go ever want for it and call. 1, you mile, you want, then you get bad at. That's the 3 things. And I'm not supposed to use the word bad at because an old word. That word is too old. The reason is, 1, first of all, the reason why I make you always mad at RFM, now for position wise. If I dey lie back, can I ask you back? You always affect, okay, now you know the reason. We drep SQB them for Saibu for say so because you are make like you controlling. You are superior, wait till you be the faithful. Not for position, no position. Where you be they say yes, you are big artist and all that thing and they. Eh? Not to that you be the say. You not be the talk say superior for the under you. You not like the thing where superior the act like say in the main man okay na RFM. Come on, dog. Now maybe the type for cool you down. You the act say me they admire you when I sabi you in the first place. The whole time when you dey central, I don't know if now who side them pull you can at central. Me no say no to central you been born. If na been central you born, I for been sabi you. Me na central are born and raised, so all man sabi me dey. So you na you come. Na come you come. Okay? For you talk say me and you been sabi each other. Na central, then in a lie you dey lie. Me and sabi you bien music where you want RFM. Now you dey talk like I say, okay, I like the part back where you talk the true back. Say yes, no to RFM go meet you. Now you can meet RFM. Then they don't tell you say, now because you need we. Not to me talk for you. Now you talk for yourself. Now you say, now you go meet LA, you tell and say you want RFM. So now you dey talk like say me and you not be the talk where you dey call me and tell me say you want come RFM. Where even they make a joke say we for initiate you first before you can inside. Now where you dey beg say yes more not want too much for you. If then the back no happen back, come online tell me say I dey lie. Me I like proof for everything. You was begging to come to RFM. So what till you do for RFM? First of all, RFM can as alone. RFM not come with a group of artists. Them RFM come with one artist. The artist come. It succeed. So why you been feel say we need you? Explain to me that part about why you been feel say we need you. Explain it. That means say now you need we because now you come. If you dey claim as big as you been there, that's okay. But I know say if you big as how you dey claim, you not forever go meet other cool say you want join. Because you big enough for make money, why you need RFM? Or maybe you be the collect the swag, that's one. Or maybe you be the admire we. Because me, I not say you be the admire me. I don't know for the other animal, but me not say you be the admire me. I not say you be the admire me. So for you they act like say you know they admire me. That was so stupid. Then you they talk say me want be you. And if I step to your level, damn. I feel like na me mama you cause safe. Real talk. I feel like when you cause me mama bing like for say la get na you level. Man like you, where they beg for can near we. Now you they sit down there, they act like say you not toughest. Like I say, RFM first not been trust you. Maybe they be the fan way how for tell you say let you go. That was the plan. I'ma say right now, that was the plan for let you go. Not to say because okay, you not be single. Not so because your music not good though, because we not been trust you. We not been trust you. If you dey chill with All Stars where LA get problem with, then you dey chill with we. Even the time where you been go Guinea with All Stars, not to hide you be the hide inside the hotel room. Not to hide you be the hide where you dey lie for me say now on something on a company. It's to be honest, the people themselves where them program them pull behind that All Star festival. Now we they been kinda. They're supposed for all some of una them beat the dog shit out of una man. They need for beat una like hug them, like dog them. Because you know one of the people that we fuck them program them up. You know one of the people that we pull the people and program made them not get visa. How many times will you don't apply for visa? How many times? Explain that part there. So you feel to say I not get the result for the immigration. Now wait until we say you been there on a 7-year visa probation. Nigga, you there on 7 years probation for visa. Then you go put your name back for All Star them back. Then you block the people them back. Just because of your greediness. You pull me $10,000. You was the reason we make them not give them about them visa. And I got the proof right here. After the live, I post all thing on Facebook. Not to show the show, because if I show them something, it not go clear. I post them, let everybody the number and they. the name then did it, then date of birth then did it. I'm not supposed to do them, but I did do them. I make let everybody call the American immigration and check on una status. Make them tell and say na bin lai program. Make them tell the people them say na bin lai program. Don't una they begin to act like say, or people then they act like say you do something for RFM. Okay, say if you do something for RFM, tell the people them back what RFM do for you. Why you not telling Andy? You big fool talk we they go say the Camaro. The Camaro, oh, Nayon, you are so dumb, man. You stupid like hog. That's how no say the hate and the greediness. It they inside for you attach one. It they for you attach one. Now make you know for agree say yes, na me own. Whatever is mine is LA's. Na LA yon. Whatever na LA yon. Na me own. With family. Or una fit to say, I don't know, say na all than they be make una be once. Okay, let me and LA they always get problems. Say where they call RFM. It's our property. It's registered. The fuck you talking about, man? First of all, you don't even come RFM officially safe in the first place. Now, paddy couch today. You know that. You know that. So because you do song, or you rep LJ, now make you know for go do song, okay, for raise your money. The last time I check, LJ and Fatima, you know get big brother. Fatima, no get no big brother. Fatima na one gen and born. People in the sit down, they act like say, yes, una, okay, come on, do this for RFM, he hold RFM, okay. So now he make enough for do nothing again. So now you make enough for do show. You people, I guess and I believe say you might not advise a camo or sometimes you not tell and say I get all improve or all thing. I know say if you be telling and you know craze this craze for camo online can't talk I like you talk. You know craze. And now guess what? I be hesitate say okay yes now immigration document them and stuff. I they put all na do. You the camouflage. Vugasina. The only person where I no go like small, like for mixed pandis, na Kemil. I don't care with whose kind of attitude where he left. I get so much respect for that young boy. Vugasina, you now, 5 billion and now, I they can paste on all name them. Let the people and pick phone then call the American immigration. They ask for una case. The case number, then they call the case number, don't they ask, or they don't even need for call safe. Make them go online. Make them go online and check una case number. Make them show say una denied. Then send the damn letter to me. Why make them deny una? Then say because of na you don't apply too many times na the American embassy. You dumbass. Then you see them. You see how they waste me money. Then you not talking. You see how they waste me money. You see how they waste me money per program. You sit down, full. You act like say you don't know. You not concerned. You be no say say the program they fail. You be no say the program they fail. Now make you steady. Okay, come on. Let's put this one. From where that program they backfire. Because you be no say it they backfire. You ever send me message for check on the program? You ever call me for secret pitch? Sorry you yes for the money where you lost and all that thing and it. So who that ungrateful reach your ass? Where people then they talk now so always like I say, what do you do for RFM? What the fuck you did for RFM? What you do for RFM? I they expose you as I they put all thing on Facebook. Straight up and all WhatsApp groups. They talk say, me they talk in a group then. Now the one thing you know they ever catch me pa. I not ever join group. I not sabi operate social media for matter today. Get that right. Get that right. I not sabi operate social media for himself. Even for go live show. Even for go live. Now somebody now in show me how for go live. The person they own your back, it can prove them. Thank you very much. UICIS.com. Una already watch now. From Salon to America or to Canada or to any side. Where I post the document them. Una go on USCIS.gov. uscis.gov. Not to .com, .gov. The information all day. Una type am, una put the receipt number, then una press enter. May una see wetin they come up. Where then decline the application, like for visa, with all and the way they do for una. Where will they do for una? Una need to sit down, they act so ungrateful. Now you they sit down, you dey open ask me, you act like say people they need you. Ain't nobody need you, nigga. Now you say talk for yourself, say, now you go meet LJ and beg and say you can't RFM. If you been good enough, who for me go meet you? Who for me go meet you? I swear to God, if you been good enough, would they go meet you and take you? You can't say RFM small, like family. I been sabi una force na central. One first of all, force me not been sabi force na central. Sometimes the tell where you can central. I don't commode safe. Me the America now. Thank you very much. Nino, tell Enande. Nino Brown for me go pay for the apartments where we go rent for them. $4,000. Nino Brown, talk him back. Talk him. Tell them. Nino Brown for me go pay $4,000 for an apartment where I ready for do all thing for una. I waste money for rent hall because of the program say una artist them na perform una they can't perform. Una they can't perform. I do all that dumb shit they. I pay lawyer. Out of me money, I pay lawyer. Now una they talk na so say RFM ungrateful. There you they can't talk like say now you they do we favor. You they can't talk like say now you they do we favor. Come on. You know the shame. I they put all the proof. I not be one for do am. Ask people banks. I be don't send all things to them. I tell and say let you know show nobody na in life. I tell people. I been fit to say sometimes people advise you. Like you know for be ever do this. But since that this road you want go, I they make all man type in name na uscis.gov. This net and tomorrow, let all man see waiting at your status. After I spend all that $10,000 or more, you know say bang bang, they know they give you visa. You know that one day. And the mistake what we do back, now you will use as the leader. Now you will use as the leader for the team for camp. You see though, you watch how me money they go back now the again. Now the same team back you do all start them. You see them, better you tell and say they don't deny you visa, then give you 7 years probation. You know do amo? You left the people and tell them waste them visa them. Other people and suffer bien on back. Other people and suffer for your own selfish interest. Tell the people and say you know able go. Make them pull you there and put somebody there. Make them pull you there and put somebody there just because of the greediness and the bad heart. You see that you hold the space. Now then go deny you visa. Now the one that we're supposed for come. Then they not come just because of your selfishness. At the same time, back your application back been there inside it with we. You not tell the people and say you don't bought 4 times this guy don't bought tender 4 or 7 times. If they can't help you face, they can't talk say me no make no attempt for help you. Now you they can't help you face they talk that talking also. You they talk like say you get respect, legendary. When you don't do show, when last you do show, when last you do show, when last you do show. Me no say if you been good enough. One, first of all, now waiting give you courage for campus na RFM force. Now because of you future LJ, the song hits, now give you the courage for RFM. Because you know say we was the shit by then. We on top of the game. Una they ungrateful here. Wait until all them cash and they I even probably don't take and say go help me people and say. Just for them, the same bad name we no say una get for Kawit. Say okay, yes. Now for LA in bad name, me they no can say yes, they no help them. Yes. Then I spend all that money, I waste all that money there. Bien ungrateful thing de like una. Then una they can sit on the act like say RFM una. Una o RFM. Let's get to 5 billion them. Like 5 billion. Like I'm to say now, una first na been the cool one them. Una sidom. People and spend up to 15 million euros per show. 15 million for sponsor on a show. The show pool 9.5 million. 9.5 million 9 commodity. Then una they open una face, then they talk say they not for talk about the money, they for just give una all thing. Yes, mo na go eat. Because I swear the people engage. Now I swear they get not so money they spend. Because I swear they get. Now you can't talk now, so they act like they say, yes, I need respect. Who's respect what you need? Who's respect what you need? Wait till you bring kind of RFM. Who's show what you go make? Okay, you pull money, then you count at na RFM. Who's one Andy? Who's one? The mere fact that way before say you use the name RFM, you supposed to pay for Andy. Because now make people themselves they give una attention these days because of this RFM thing. Una know. Una they act like say una no know. Una they act like una dumb and stupid. You know? Una they act like una dumb and stupid. Where una know exactly what they do for una. I get una passport number they all na so. I they post all on Facebook. Una name them, una date of birth them. I'm not supposed for do am. I'm not supposed for do am. The only good thing is not to America una day like for sue me. Una no day America for sue me. I they paste all that today. All man they search una on Google. All man they search una. Dumb fuck them, man. Dumb fuck them. You go waste people in time. Do show with 15 million. You come out 9.5 million. Then you want all thing. Why you not be don't tell SSF say, okay, give me this money or open cigarette table uta. Now na LJ na inga for pay that money day. Na inga for pay the balance money to the people them. If una no be know that one day, then una know that today. If una no be know, una know that today. LA na inga for pay the balance money out of the 50 million. Out of the 50 million, LA na they can go pay all that money day. Then una stick una face then also they act like say yes, then do una bad. Dumbass niggas, man. The dumbass niggas. You they can't talk about respect. Man, what I do all thing for? Now him me for respect. Then you can't talk, say, get on my level. Yeah, get on my level. Now that exactly now you need for do. Yes, get on my level. Me you na level. Wait, you teach them people like say, na kaka you the champ. Now you they talk about level. You they act like say, yes, you ain't call. Now I make way I vex up. I call LA. I say LA, I want to let you do something. Even Coke and Gin, I want to pull your hand in case. Coke and Gin, pull your hand in case. Because these people are ungrateful. Let me talk about Coke and Gin now. If anybody there back, I beg una tag him brother Barat. Sometime back, na today the first back by the talk this. Coke and Gin, una pass this video for anybody. When no den so at least where he hear me he say Ishmael na lie you dey lie on a true you dey talk. Coke and Gin, me young rapish, I hire lawyer them all, 2 sets of lawyers. We dey beg every day. We dey beg every day for free Coke and Gin. Me man them, it is them, they gonna cut left and right for tiwe no concern themselves for Coke and Gin. Because of me, we dey beg all kind beg. It get to the point. Billahi wallahi talai to me, mama will don't die. I even bribe magistrates for pull Coke and Gin. I bribe them cash money. I dey say na so today. Coke and Gin, I bribe magistrates. I bribe magistrates for free Coke and Gin. Up to this day, wait, they stand up. And brother, one mommy, one daddy Barat. I call him, I send him to the high call himself, the prosecutor. I say, Barat, you brother don't call me from jail. He say, since me na fula, the guy that, he say, at least go meet this guy and stuff. I say, okay, no worry. Case done. I call Barat, I talk to him. Remember, in your one mommy, one daddy brother. I send and say, let he go ask for the guy in number, Mr. Pate. The bobo no ever go there. But you one mommy, one daddy, in case, we would have fetch for Pulam. ino grigo de. Waiting the way LJ no don do. Waiting the way ino don pass. Uda the way ino don go down to in knees and beg. He said, please, una release it, bobo. Uda, he don't do all kind thing. He don't beg all kind beg. See what not supposed to do. But he do am. With all that one day, with all land day, then una they act like say they not do nothing for nobody. Vuga see first where they talk so. Me or Ishmael, una call Camo back, make he can talk and also. Now Camo first, now me they keep him passport. I make passport for 1 2 them. Be yourself. That what they fish cake paper self you no get. Fish cake paper you no get. Now we go pack document them for him, for make passport for him, just for let the program happen. Just for let it till be. Then they sit down and so. For let somebody get the heart and sit down and think say, I want care una go America. Let una life change. Because not money I want for money. Una no get kaka for give me all waiting. Now una eat from we. Come on, look you. They open you broke teeth that they talk foolish talk and that. Waiting the way you know benefits behind RFM. Where cheaper they go? Where cheaper they go? Who's then? You ever sabi cheaper? Not to behind RFM. Not to form you to get close and trust and creep. Not to because of RFM. Not to we they do all that thing and they. Not to we they do huh? We don't give una close. We don't give una trust. Waiting they wanna don't do for una again. Or waiting for do for una. Eh? Me the last time I check. The last time I check. Me oldest speaking. A big man or calling age now, man. Me oldest speaking say not even 10 years it. Me oldest speaking, you know 10 years it. Bambai somebody can tell me say, na me get big picking like this. See don't they feed big man like una. They take care of una. Look how una halaki. Especially you come, look how you halaki. Get on my level. You mean level, man? You don't talk about level for real. Like at the time I tell you, RFM not be ever trust you. Maybe they not being great tell you. Una all too safe and suf. They not be ever trust una. Now you make you treat una like garbage because we not been trust una. Like Sophie Air Force, the first time force me in talk where Chipo call me tell me say in the car FM. The first day we'll talk. The first conversation, I swear to me, mama would don't die. Moti, na me witness. The man begin record with conversation. If they record with conversation, we not even talk 3 minutes safe. He begin record the conversation. Till I notice say the conversation has been recorded. Because when the phone hang up, the thing talk him. Say, your recording has been ended. I say, what? So this nigga, he record with conversation? Just for welcome him inside the team. So he want record all the conversation. Now I say, well, okay. How for even begin trust people and force like the wire? Come on, force. You be the play two-face. You the all-star, you the RFM. So tell me how you want make I trust you. Tell me about how. Tell me how you want make I trust you. Then you they can't tell me say, no man the ass, if they drive LJ Mutuka all day, then he ask me say if na me Mutuka. You see uselessness? You see foolishness? You see foolishness? Better you sit down suffer than you they act like say you do people in favor. Now the one them where they sit down they act like say now where you can RFM and a tipo at the party's message for. You they act like say come on now you can save RFM. You really crazy. You crazy bang. In the camo says I don't can tell you now say now in say RFM. When the person not pick phone caller. What I be the thing about camo safe? Then tell the first way don't call force. What I be the thing about him? Who that be the thing about him? Or why make una fit to say it afraid for tell and say in don't fuck off RFM? Or reasons. Not to not fucking reason. Now because them feel like say now we bond them. That's the only fucking reason. Waste all that money bien una. Then you can hope you face they ask say na fake program. That fake program they all man they know but and just know. Now make me tell you say first me I get all the proof them. Me I get all the proof. Now you don't get proof. Now you they sit down, they make big man talk. Now when you see comments where they call, then you get hype. Then you talk brrr. Nah. Me I they talk with proof, my nigga. I dey talk with proof. Come on, you be done. Now we resurrect you. Now we bring you back to life. Now we face you come. Now you business, now bring you come back. You know that, thank God self not to me talk for you. Now you talk say, now you meet LJ, tell and say you want join a thing. If you been good, you believe yourself, why you can join? Me na my only question and why you can join? Like where this guy been just come on, I said Drizzy Lick. Somebody call me from salon. He say me man, one guy don't come on right now, one young bobo, a very very good, a very nice. I want okay. Me RFM sign him. But I be no say na in camp, na in man them. Now call the bobo, now talk to him. I say listen, I want save una headache. The best advice I dey give you, the best advice I dey give you na my life. Not join, una not join na crew. Whether na RFM, na Black Leo, na any other crew, una not join them. If not to Danley, with a block in shine. Because RFM is all about LJ. That's it. Not to me do amo, not to me say. Now the way how the people and they think. Then they think say the one way come first way then like. I let you do anything for the other one then. Now then time then they waste. But come on, you not been big artist. 2006. You don't do how many albums? How many albums and how many shows you do? And tell me how successful they. Tell me back. Or you fit to say, now for pool song, we put in taxi, they play all day. How much you make Panam? Then una they make like a say una good. Nigga, you ain't good for shit. Just like waiting, I be the talking before people and feel like say, na negative talk I be the talk against like salon music. I swear to God, not to negative talk at the talk. Because what me I say so, this is a perfect example to we the RFM now, but it happen so. For let them spend 15 million euros for do show for 5 billion. Then 9 million come on. So where the profit? Una where the talk say salon music get money. Where the profit? Where the profit? So now that the people them for they per all day. Nah, we can't be on that shit. We can be on that shit. We don't tell una this day we don't tire. I like you won't be in Caudinero say, not to say cow and they tell him fans them say, una not support them. But that's who they wanna see. Now in their lack, now in their want. I like you go cow Jay-Z on the cow. Now cow they want. I like you go cow who that you call under LA. Now LA they want. Now so they make salon. Now so the people and they think, not to me, not to you. Now so they want. So how they force the system? So basically, me for Sidon Ayasu, a promo show, like for Starco or Globe, when they even take 500 people them. Don't back, not to guarantee say back the show they even full up. Not to guarantee say the show they full up. Then I go put me money inside and show them they. Me money not come on. Then the foolish goats then they can tell you say, yes, not talk about money. Not talk about money. You crazy? I know for pull me money first. Una get lock safe, then Guna said I have money they save. Una get lock. Una get lock then Guna. That make me don't tell LSA, let it calm down. Would they pay the balance money? Yeah, because now debt they can left per week. They left debt per week then go, then they act like say yes, they do them something. You they go count 5 gallon rubber for put money. Just because you not trust people them. You thief yourself. You thief yourself. Then you they can begin act like say, then do you something. The money not even do for itself. The money not do for shape safe. The money not do for shape safe. Now they can't sit on there so they can begin ask people in it for T1 and not one they do for people them. People that don't lost this beuna. Anytime they come on America go. Wallahi. From Collabo to Coke and Gin to Kemil to Vuga, they all go be witness. Men can online. They all know say LA in a suffer now, he buy barrels of stuff them. Barrels. Close and trusses and crepe them. Brand new one. One day he not get and use crepe. One day You know, get them use clothes. Now when they sit down there, they act like say the owner. Now una owe RFM because now una they use the name they run like for the people and una. If una not been the RFM, nobody knows sabi una. Maybe Camo. SQB, yes, because them be done big already. Nobody know for be no una. 5 billion, 5 billion. Okay, this the most funny part is, right? I know one day me top them boy safe. Me and they know one day shake hands safe. Like 5 billion. Me and they not ever see safe one day in my life. Now that, this for tell you say, they're not even serious safe now the movement. They're not serious now the movement safe. Just because people they want no more say yes, they help somebody. Oh, okay. So now waiting una do no more, una want talk about. Well, una talk what RFM do for una. Let's talk about it. What RFM do for una? 5 billion, una can't tell me now so. I think this was 2017 or 18. Una say una want do show. I say 5 billion. Una want do show, then say yes. I say when, then show me the dates. I say waiting una need me for do. Then say, they don't begin pay for all. They want for finish for pay for the all. So basically, they not tell we all. We don't know nothing. Then they go do their show on their own. Remember, then they go do their own show on their own. Nobody back no gumbo because we know say okay yes, now they hustle. They made them do them. Ask them say how much una need. The bobo tell me say they balance now 1 million euros. 1 million euros. I call na tongue. Then give them 1 million euros. Then go pay for the show. Una wede na una ask them today but who stand ever call Rapish and tell and say thank you. The show been successful. Now this commodity on a dande commodity. So una where you put money, it don't done. Eh? So where them put money pa una, portion of for talk about the money. For real. So now so we own businessman, therefore operate a salon. We put money, so not for talk. For my give them that 1 million yen, una ask them about when they ever call me, tell me say the show been successful, or now this will get. Eh? Una ask them. Now una they can't talk now, so like say now waiting. Una for be listen, the best thing, one for be done. Me now, anybody tell me say you want car FM, I they look you advise you. Me man, I ready for give okay business money, like cigarette table. I want you open cigarette table, make come up bear me. Because when you there with me back, now me for take care of you. Now they can't sit down, they can't begin make like say now people them born now. Fatima, you no get big brother. Fatima no get no big brother. Fatima na one get born first. Exactly. From 5 billion to 5 gallon. From 5 billion to 5 gallon. Come on, you can hope you face the talk about level. You know get luck where RFM can put life support by your ass. Talk what the RFM do for you. Close central is where they send for you. Talk about. Yes. Or if you just say cheapo, incept not RFM ide. If not to be RFM, you don't sabi nobody and nobody not sabi you. The only person will be sabi na LJ. That's it. That's it. Na LJ na you sabi. That's it. Me I not want to sabi you. I not want to see you. Why be the central? I not ever know who's part you they safe. Because me no say not to central. You been there. If you been there central, now for we don't sabi you. Abuga man, I beg can't tell this guy how you be the beg for him. Make RFM. I beg. Can't tell him how you beg for him. For let Ika RFM. Where you drive from Philadelphia, can't say Atlanta. Say, they are beg bo, una couch come on. Me all approve for. Me, I not sabi life, but nothing. All this not petty thing, man. Can't lie for foolishness. You they can't sit down outside they can't lie. Then, since you talk, you not get proof, me, I they can put all thing on Facebook. I beg. This not the way how for use the thing where I they post on Facebook. Then get one number there where then they call ourselves the receipt number. I think they call a receipt number. The number laid on there. You go na uscis.gov, G-O-V. uscis.gov. When you type down there you or click na case status. When you reach that case status, then you type that number there. When you type the number, you press enter, make you see wetin dey come up. We then deny una application. Waste me money for nothing. You know say bang bang, then they give una. Now make you don't ever call me safe. Today. Then they can't tell me say now because you come out RFM. What? Check your last message when last me you talk. Maybe don't cut you up long time. Long time because maybe don't know say first. Say you not lie man force. You not lie man force because you probably don't tell me first man save me money. Say Rapish not waste your money. Then you grab, you go now all star back. Then you go waste the people and time. You waste space. Yes, but sometimes a better artist for we don't cancel. Then you hold the space to yourself. You feel to say the people increase like how una increase. Them people they're not crazy. So now una increase, then they're not crazy. They know how many times you don't apply for visa. They know how many times you don't go there. You dey can't be face they talk stupid talk now. So say this. If collabo, they be ask me for advice. I been for tell them, bang say listen, that man they don't apply past how many times, then just don't reject in stuff. The man they get 7-year probation. They can't tell me say me life and say I get program. That program the all man they say and just know. Stupid dumb fuck. You sick now your ass man. With all the good way they do for now. They can't tell me say the camera yes not to me get time. This is funny sir. You guys hey Lord of mercy. The guy said not to me get the camera. The guy is say not to me. He say not to me. So if I have been see you inside pan and safe, I'm not able to tell you nothing. I for jack you and I for jack you come and now pass your ask wetin do you. I for jack you fuck off inside that motka, they pass your ask wetin happen. You see them, you enjoy all kind free benefits from RFM. Maybe no say you be one overtake RFM. Now make you grab, you go take artists, you make a record song, a call RFM day, just because you want to man. I like the way how boy legit treat you. I like how it treats you. You act like say, now you get RFM, you know well. You know well. Now you got RFM. May you go count artists where you say no, don't find it safe. You go count artists. You not even tell we safe. You make the girl go record all kind of jabla song. All kind of rubbish song. Yes, you count and they. Then you say now you artist. Why you not be don't sign her well? Yes, now borderline. Why you not be sign and they? Just because you want sleep with two man. Eh? Just because you want sleep with two man. So you forgot tell and say waiting. Say how you call yourself. Say okay, yes, now RFM are they. But come on. Yes, but they watch me as. Yeah, no worry, they watch me as. No worry, they watch them. Now one thing no man know. You talk, you don't get proof. Me, I can't put them. Tag Polo Jar. Now we talk say oh. Tag up make them. Yeah, me tag a leka man. Tag am bo. Me and come on, never be brother. Mama Dali, one day will not be brother. Always tell no say the man a user. Na user. If he come for car user RFM, make it pop off, then he go. Now then they been come for back. Yes. But it can't be say he not able to do kaka again. Kaka. Because me one thing I believe, if you're not good artist, you good. Bang, 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 bang. We all know say you good. Why you not get mind for go do show for yourself? Why? Why you not get the mind for go do show for yourself? You say you do VIP show, right? Who done RFM ever know about how much money where you pull by VIP show? Who knows that? Who don't know how much you pull by VIP show? Who don't know? So una now people are no more forgive una. So una then for just give una no more. Yes, let una eat. They can't talk say me talk say okay for help and my album. Of course, I be say I help you. Yes. Guess what? We get the message say you dey two-faced, so ain't nobody trust you. We not trust you. I don't know why make then they waste time for tell you that day. You the All Star, you the RFM. You they can't tell we say, I just did near the normal, okay, for understand the move. Waiting and they do. I want no force waiting, they do. I want no waiting and they do. What do they do? Why you worry about what you all start to do? Where we not worry? Not knowing you they pass the information that you pass and you grind where you can't go under. RFM will not even trust you. That's the thing. I don't know why make then they even waste time for tell you that day. I don't know why they waste time for tell you that day. Now make me answer no. Now I cut you off. Back. Go before. I need to deal with two-face nigga. You know they All Star, then you the RFM. Well, if you not be know, now the reason and they will make you treat you the black plastic today. Yeah? Me don't tell you today because they no one for tell you. And all this thing first way happen so. This not what we don't want LA. Lay left for the beginning when I come because we already don't see the backlash with Black Leo. Anyhow, he do for them now for nothing. I like he give them $5,000 a day. I like how give them $5,000 a day. Will they see what's in the happen? I want LA. I want LA. I say LA, you the only nigga we want here. Leave this shit alone. Leave it alone. It get party kind side. Now look what in party do. You see though, you do all kind promo. You go na all kind radio talk show. You do all kind joblo jabla. You risk where they call for go inside Easter for do all kind show. Then they can't talk say you eat money. Now we not even come out safe. Me man. Well now the time now. Since I don't believe now say you able for come and can read me post them come on. Now I dey go on Facebook, I go post the shit them. May you read, may you watch. Then you tell me, I wish you for able for come on Facebook, but may you tell the people and say, now lie, you they lie. Yeah? Now then I will let you do. Because you need for can tell and say, now lie, you be the lie. Me, I dey post all the proof right now. Not to tell tomorrow. I dey make all man see waiting at you status. You can't see though, you make people that they waste money for nothing behind you. Then you know, say, bang, then they give visa. You know, bang. Oscar weekend is Andy. You know, how much school fees man for we don't pay? Like for people, You know how many people why for we don't take care of with $10,000? You know how many? Now you can't see them, you can't say fake program. From that fake program, anybody will get sense. Anybody will get sense, where you see, what I post about you. If the person want to believe, he want to not believe. Me no say the person able for call 1-800 number, or you go online and check them. Which one names them. That's all I know. Everything is attached right there. Alright? Well, hey, come on. Hopefully, yes, you able for come back and come back and come check your status, because you don't ever call me or you don't ever ask me, say waiting at the status. That's how you know you fucked up. That's how you know what you be they do. Yes. That's how you know, say you been fucked up. Because if not to Dande, you forbid don't call me say, Ish, how that program? Today you not call me for that program day. You not ever check on the program one day. One day you not ask me say how the thing go. Vugasino one day ask me that one day. Then people feel like say then do them bad. Person will mean good for you. Person will mean bad for you. If they think about America for you. Una answer me back. Person will mean bad for you. If they fight for couch you, may your life change and better. Person go do that for you. Well, we are the only people we been get that intention there. Now we not been the only one that we get that intention there. We do that for una. Nobody no get mind do that one day for nobody. Now we do them. For una, for people who are not family safe. Me listen, me I need for common. I don't begin see me big one. They don't begin kind me people now get respect for. Hey, una let we go now. Na the guy gone, bra. The guy gone. Yes. Uda sabi go the guy gone logo. But you not tag Polo Jam, eh? Why you not tag Polo Jam? Why you not tag Polo? Yes, you for be don't tag Polo. Me oh Polo. Me oh Polo. Polo. A big body, I don't know vex body a big. Me anything I dey talk about. If I don't get proof, I need to talk am. Yeah? Now me be the hide the secret for you. Take that name for me today. The only person who I send that thing to. Now to Tipo. And I know say you and Tipo, now they talk every day. And if Tipo be advise you, you know for being crazy, come go online today. And you can't talk, say people in the on the level. See the bigger creep and trust, pay the talk, say, I'll say you level. You they drive me motka, do you talk, say, I forget you level. You they use me property, you say, me and you for dinner you level. But you get fit yourself, yeah. You get fit yo. Then they tell me, say, me on motka back to me, boy, I'm motuka. Matter of fact, sef, mag you one full ayon say, Wuchunuma. How come on? You stupid dumb fuck. Me yo motuka. The guy tell me say, no to me get her. Now that person yon. Time for me meet you, stick your ass inside that. I for root you on like chinch. That's how you know how stupid you are. That's how you know how stupid you did. Me own property, if you don't inside it, it's not to me get her. Clean down out to come, please. Jumbo ass. Yeah, man. Hey, 5 billion, by the way. Una no say, na who they can pay una debt. The debt una left na RFM, na in who they can pay so. Because we no want backlash. Now they open our face them with 5 gallon cover. Yet for out fit to people. Like say they do na anything. Now una supposed to pay for the name. Because that name they help una lot. Nobody no ever been sabi una. Nobody no want to know who's part of the world self. Now wanna be they exist. They can talk say now so say then do you something. Look Emil. Sorry. Look Vugasi. He talk a straight one. Eleje no buy gin for me. He no buy crepe for me. I say Bobo. Bio Fatima get big brother. So Fatima get big brother. Bang bang. And no be ever know. Crazy ass, man. Yo, I'm here, man. I expose you ass to the fullest. Anybody when not sabi for check that status day. I beg for God and Anabi. This not the way we are ungrateful. Una want where people and do good for una, make them they talk at me. I not sabi that day. I want me you go on Facebook, may you put a status. Put a status. Una listen, oh. I want you go on Facebook, may you put a status. Say Uda Rapish don't ever do anything for. Let you see how many people then they can they and then tell you thing the way you know they believe say I do for people them. Where you know go believe safe. Say I do for people them. Yeah? I don't pull 21 people in Africa. Care and go to Europe, America, or any partner in the world. Moi. That's what I do. I don't even ask for payback. That's what I do. I need to talk with you I do for people. So you as you don't I waste talk. Okay. Now wait you ask me for no more you. Now what you know say now you not the failure that you go tell me say I tell the boy and say now you pull the program. You damn right now you pull the program. You apply for visa past 17. You want green. Who say you want go? Who say you want go? For applying for visa for fucking 17. You need to say them people are crazy like you. They're not crazy like you. When you apply one time, then no say now you come. When you change your name and come back, then no say now you come. Go 3 times and come back, then no say now you come. Then you they can begin to talk with and call me. You know how many? You know what I don't do for people them? Then you they can begin talk say, waiting I do for Salon Music. Bro. LJ is my artist. Leave it like that. Now you tell me now. Now you tell me if I do anything. LJ, now me artist. Now you tell me waiting I do. This how you know the kind bad that way stick by you long time. Like for you tell me say, waiting I do for Salon Music. Or waiting I do for RFM. That's how stupid you are. That's how stupid you are. Cold, come on. Where you be done cold like ice. If not so now you business song. Nobody not sabi yourself again. I will not be sabi your ass again, Seth. We can't give you life. Now you can't begin talk like say, now you can do with favor. Especially like you and Tipo. Tipo they act like say, now you can do with favor. Go on they bleed, man. I beg you, no me la vex you. No me la vex you. They can't tell me say, me they use Facebook. Papa, you for don't tell Donald Trump. Now when I in now we all papa. Yes, let's come on social media. Yes. Now then they una for we don't go tell. Go tell Donald Trump. Now we all papa. Say papa come on social media. That's how you know say una na stupid artist them. The platform where you for take for use. Like for let you make your name. You see them. Okay, you remember big man. Would that be the promote you like page? Your artist page. Not to me. Not to me. Not to me. Like you thing. Yes, the foolish thing they can make big man. They sit on quiet na Facebook all day where they call. That shit ain't taking you nowhere because you done already, bro. Do a show. Go do a show. Me na dande awale you do. Now, na Borderline, right? Use the name Borderline Present Camouflage. If you want, I dey pay for Globe because I know say, na you get for stop. Na Globe you dey stop. Na Globe obstacle. Na you dey stop. Globe obstacle. Na you highest than day. I no mind for lost day. You dey make like say na you do with favor. Whose favor will you do RFM? Explain to me ba. You dey use your property then, left and right. Now we dey do you favor. Sorry. Now you dey do me favor. You dey ride me motor car then. Now you dey do me favor. The name RFM will make fans them begin to do free promo for you. Now you dey do me favor. So you just want to talk what you do for LA just because that song. Then you don't want to talk what they do for you? Bro, I ain't got time for that, man. I'm so mad at you right now. I lose $10,000 behind your dumb ass. I lost 10 grand behind you greedy ass. Because if you been tell me, I'm not been put inside that program there. I've been just put them over there no more. Yeah, that I left them. Yes. I've been just don't put them over there no more. You not tell we you see don't tell you block we own program, you block all starting program. Then una they can begin talk say na LJ and Cool J then and Timbo them call the damn embassy say yes me them call una we them call them. Then una sit down there una no say bang na una do one. First of all the solo artists and post as they get hit song, straight now make embassy IMAX pop. Yes, album self no they self now IMAX they go team up. Sometimes when I to say them people and they crazy like una. The people that know say you the hit, the people that know when you know the hit, they know when you get album, they know when you know get album. They know when you then I pick. Now so then they give una visa. May you know this today if you not be ever know. Then they do search. They're not full like una. Then they search you camouflage when last you do show. That's how they search. When last you do show. How many fans them you get. Then check you like page because we get the online information there. The people and she say you don't even get 8,000 safe. Then they can't tell us say you get fans. Say you're not superstar. The guy say in a legendary. Bro, let we call we safe than day, man. Let we call we safe than day. But hey man, hey, I'm out, man. Peace out. My niggas. Una not forget to una check me page. Una already now 200 and something. Una go check me page right now. And they can load all thing. Me una search them. Me this all na proof. Hey, it is what up, man. It is what up. I see you, man. It is back now me witness. It is tell them how we fed for Coke Engine, please. It is a big tell them how we fed for Coke Engine. Yes. Then when they make like say, now we don't want to do nothing for them. Bro, we don't do all two way before do for now. Nothing not they won't know able for do. Nothing not they won't not do for now. Nothing. So man, they can be open more say where LA self not been there. Now we be they do song for them. Now we then call. You not waiting. You not artist or bouncer. You not artist or bouncer. You not artist that songs them before do. That song day, if we don't do, may you even get a successful show safe. Bien LA name. They will wait for you. It do follow you get a successful show. You can open face, they act like say, na a favor than they. Okay, yes, na favor. But that's why may you say not talk, waiting and do for you. Send for you close and close. It's all the whole net. Yeah? Rapish no one day give me a dime. Ask the one they always sabi me. They not sabi me first for send for person for money. Ask them all they tell you. Waiting as sabi for do. Waiting as sabi for do. Eh? Waiting me or Ishmael sabi for do. Now for you tell me what you want to do when I better thing I help you. Ask the one they always sabi me. Now that them sabi me for all me party them. Not to possible where they can make me $50 and $100. Not to soak me the operate. The one that always sabi me, ask them. Then go tell you say now so me the operate. Yeah? You for tell I for see seriousness by you, you tell me what you want to do. Then I they help you. They go tell me say, you know, send one dime for me. Have you been kind people in there? Eh? Me na person we want better. Na him send me the deal with. Yeah? Not to una kind. Now they fetch pan 1 million pan show. Turn Bella, go to Minister of Business, they go and lie. This na all star, this na this and where they call just for survive. Nigga, you don't pull hit song, right? As you claim, do a show. Do a show. That's the business. Now the only business and the way you get do good song, good album, and you do a show. Now do it for it. Now let me know. But listen, I come for you back. Yeah? I come for you back. The guy say me get false life. False life? You know what I do for your ass? Your Ross Chico fant. You know what I do for you? How will they tell me about damn false life? Would I ever do false life too? Would I ever, okay, you say, you know sabi me, right? But how comes you they call me false life? You talk say I owe somebody. I tell you say tag the person. Maybe the person can talk on air. That's how you know you are a fucking liar. You just want to please people. And guess what? Me, I don't care. Because all my way you talk, me, I strongly believe say they all know say, na lie you lie. They all know say, na stretch you the pamphlet. And guess what? Me own, if they see him, then they know say yes, Ishmael, na real man, he not a lie. Yes. They know say me, I not a lie. Anything I talk, I put out with proof. Your Ross Chico fans, Wuchunuma. But you wait. I they come for you back. The people that may not sabi golf for now, I they can begin fet for golf now. I beg. Dua. I they can begin fet for golf now. So if I do anything, una understand say na sabi or no sabi, then they need the lie. Now for golf. Last. I beg dua. Me left them dog, then they may with Elaine talk me. But help me now. How for go off? I beg. But help me, bo. I dey turn the phone off. Oh. Savage, come up, man. Who said the end day? Okay, finish, eh?